Imagine a world where the skies are darkened by swarms of buzzing drones. These aren't the friendly ones delivering packages or taking cool aerial shots. No, these drones are different. They can think, adapt, and act on their own. Imagine a quiet city suddenly erupts into chaos as drones swoop down, targeting anything that moves. People run for cover, but there's nowhere to hide. The drones have cameras, sensors, and weapons. They're watching your every move. Now, imagine an airplane shrunk to the size of your thumbnail. Is that even possible? Traditionally, the role of the Air Force has been very large aircraft. You can imagine an F-16 or an F-22. They're very large. But lately, things have been getting a lot smaller because you want to go to places that you can't get in with an F-16. Micro-air vehicles are the future of collecting intelligence. These tiny drones can infiltrate enemy territory, gather crucial data, and return without being detected. This is not a sci-fi movie. This could be our reality. Let's explore the top 5 scariest drones of the future that could potentially destroy our world. Please stay with us. The first scariest drone of the future is the killer bees. Killer bees are among the most terrifying concepts for future drones. These drones are designed to mimic the behavior and effectiveness of real-life bees, but with a deadly twist. Let's delve deeper into what makes killer bees so frightening. Killer bees are small, almost insect-sized drones. Their design allows them to move with agility and speed, similar to real bees. Their tiny size makes them difficult to detect, especially in large swarms. They can easily navigate through tight spaces, urban environments, and even indoors. One of the most chilling aspects of killer bees is their use of swarm intelligence. Just like a colony of bees, these drones communicate with each other and operate as a unified entity. This allows them to perform complex tasks such as surrounding a target, coordinating attacks, and adapting to changing environments. Each killer bee drone is equipped with advanced sensors and AI technology. These systems allow the drones to identify specific targets based on facial recognition, heat signatures, or other biometric data. Once a target is identified, the drones can track and follow them relentlessly. What makes killer bees truly deadly is their payload. Each drone carries a tiny explosive charge or a poison injector. When they attack, they can deliver a lethal dose of poison or a precise explosive hit. A single killer bee might not be able to cause significant damage, but in a swarm, they can overwhelm and eliminate their target with horrifying efficiency. Because they are small and quiet, killer bees can get close to their targets without being seen. They can hide in plain sight and wait until the right moment to attack. This surprise makes them very good for secret missions and assassinations. The second drone is hunter-seeker. Hunter-seekers are one of the most advanced and terrifying types of drones that might exist in the future. Let's explore what makes hunter-seekers so scary. Hunter-seekers are medium-sized drones built for speed, agility, and endurance. They are equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including thermal imaging, night vision, and advanced AI systems. These features allow them to track and pursue targets over long distances and through various terrains. And this is really scary. One of the most frightening aspects of hunter-seekers is their ability to relentlessly chase their targets. Once they lock onto a target, they can follow it anywhere. through forests, cities, and even across borders. They can navigate difficult terrains and continue their pursuit, regardless of weather conditions. Hunter-seekers use multiple methods to track their targets. They have cameras that can recognize faces and body heat sensors to detect living beings. They can also listen for sounds and use AI algorithms to predict where their target might go next. This makes them incredibly hard to evade. The next is spy flies. Spy flies are tiny drones designed to gather information without being noticed. Spy flies are as small as real flies, making them almost invisible. Their small size allows them to enter buildings, fly through open windows, or even slip under doors. These drones are equipped with tiny cameras and microphones. They can record conversations, take pictures, and gather other important information without anyone knowing they are there. This makes them perfect for spying on people. Because they look and move like real flies, spy flies can blend into any environment. People usually ignore or don't notice real flies, so these drones can stay hidden while they do their job. Spy flies can fly in any direction, hover in place, and navigate through tight spaces. This makes it easy for them to get into hard-to-reach places, like inside homes, offices, and secure facilities. Spy flies can work on their own. Once they are given a task, they don't need much human control. They can fly around, find their target, and collect information automatically. Number 4 on our list is tank busters. Tank busters are powerful drones designed to destroy armored vehicles and buildings. Let's explore why they are so scary. Tank busters are larger and stronger than regular drones. They are built to carry heavy explosives and powerful weapons. Their tough design helps them survive in dangerous situations. These drones are equipped with missiles and bombs that can destroy tanks, buildings, and other strong structures. They can aim and fire their weapons with great accuracy, causing massive damage. Tank busters can fly very low and very fast. This helps them avoid being detected by radar and makes it hard for enemies to shoot them down. They can quickly approach their targets, deliver their payload, and escape before getting hit. One of the scariest features of tank busters is their ability to hit targets precisely. They use advanced targeting systems to lock onto specific vehicles or buildings and make sure their weapons hit exactly where they are supposed to. The last one is Mind Controller's drone. Mind controllers are futuristic drones designed to control or influence human minds. Let's explore why they are so scary. Mind controllers use advanced neural technology. They can send signals to the human brain to influence thoughts, feelings, and actions. This technology is based on understanding how the brain works and using it to control people. These drones can target specific individuals and send signals to their brains. They might use tiny electrodes or wireless technology to connect with the brain. Once connected, they can change how a person thinks or behaves. Mind controllers can make people do things they wouldn't normally do. For example, they could make someone follow orders, change their opinions, or even forget certain things. This makes them very powerful and dangerous. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it.